What can we do when we are self-isolating but our MOT is due? No one wants a £1,000 fine and invalid insurance. Fortunately, there's a safe solution to help. It's the new Contactless collection and delivery and is being offered for free by many garages. It's so easy and takes just 3 seconds to enter your vehicle registration and postcode to compare deals from local garages. Choose the best garage for you based upon price, reviews and of course delivery options. Make sure you select Collect and Deliver when booking your MOT or service. Then use the messaging box to add notes for the garage about where you're leaving your keys. The garage will ring you for confirmation of the booking, and they will let you know the time you should expect them to collect your car. Once the technician has arrived on the day of your booking, they will give you a call to notify you. You can then safely place your keys outside for the technician to collect them. For extra precaution, all technicians wear gloves, and wheel, floor and seat covers will be used where possible. When the work has been completed, the technician will deliver your car back to you. Your keys will be posted through your letterbox along with any documentation from the work. You can have your MOT done up to a month in advance of the due date. Due to some manufacturers not being able to make car parts, and there possibly being a shortage of MOT technicians available in future, we urge you to go ahead and make the booking for your MOT, even if it's not due to happen for 6 months. Book now and the prices offered will be secured for you for your due date. So, if your MOT due date is approaching and you're self-isolating, then book your contact-free collection and delivery online today.